So I'm doing my walk around, and I kind of figured, hey, why not do a short video on something pretty fundamental. So I've got a blade pitot tube. It's a combo pitot tube. It's got two holes there, and it's for the air and static there. So what I've got is the blade cover, and what you're looking for here is something that's highly reflective and visible. I know old school red ones, they're good, but this one's got the new reflective tape on there. Ooh. So if for some weird reason, you didn't do the walk around, which is a horrible idea, and you're going through, somebody can flag you down by seeing this flapping around. Don't rely on that though. That's a horrible idea. It's there for you to see it. It's a whole heck of a lot more visible. This is the dual tightening system. I'm just making these words up, but basically you cinch it up like this. You pull this while it's on the pitot tube, and then you strap it and secure it. Especially if you're on a field or overnight or something to that effect in new areas. All kinds of creepy crawlies can go in these little tiny holes here. So just try and do this with one hand. It's very difficult, especially a left hand. So let me switch real quick. Another thing you want to remember is that if you cut this thing on during flight and you've landed at your airport, make sure that it's clean so this doesn't melt. These pitot tubes are very hot. It's kind of, for your safety. Make sure that the ice isn't blocking the holes there. So make sure this is cool. Cinch it like that, and then wrap it around like that. And it's a pretty good fit there. It's not coming off. I always like to do that one little on there. But yeah, so on everybody's, it should be walk around when you're going around the aircraft and you're checking off all the checks. This should definitely be one of them, making sure that you not only remove this, but you also check the holes. This will help, but it's not 100%. So make sure you take this off and check the holes. They sell one for both the blade style for like pipers or whatever's, and then whatever the other style is. I'm doing it with my finger here, but yeah, so pretty cool, pretty good idea. Just keeps you safe, keeps all the cruddies around so it doesn't ruin your flight. It's good to have your airspeed. So anyway, that's it, just a short one. Make sure that you're safe there, you got everything wrapped up, and then when you're ready to go, you unwrap it and inspect. So till next time, stay safe, guys.